everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the interest rate on Bank of New York Mellon credit card. So the Bank of New York Mellon primarily focuses on wealth management and investment services, and they do not typically offer consumer credit card like traditional bank. Instead, their credit card offerings are more geared towards investment related credit lines and private banking solutions. Now for more details information, you might consider reaching out directly to the BNY Mellon or visiting the official website. If you need details on a specific product or services, their customer service team can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding the following application. So what you can do is you could also go ahead and open this link, that is www.bnymellonwealth.com/credit card. That's going to take you to this field where you could go and read all of these instructions, and then if you wish to contact the support team, you could also find the contact details of the customer care, or just press the contact us button and you should be able to get the information regarding your queries. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.